guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. I know it's been a couple of days since I've done a video. I do appreciate all of the birthday wishes that y'all sent my way. It was greatly appreciated. It is rather early here. I did just get out of the shower, but I wanted to do video since I can't sleep anyway. I will let y'all know that I've had the birthday blues for a couple days. I've actually been in and out of bed all weekend. I do want to give a great big shout out to Karen Ann MUA for yesterday's live. It did actually get me up and around to see how many YouTube family actually cares about one another. Just her simply being who she is got me up and out of my mood. Everybody's seen the tattoo birthday present. My tattoo is doing well. It is in the stage of scabbing, so it's kind of gross, but it's getting there. My birthday was on the 19th, which was last Thursday. This is Monday morning. It's like 4 o'clock. And then Thursday, me, my mom, and daughter all got together to go do my birthday freebies from Sephora and Ulta and all those other great places that do that. And it turned into a bumming adventure. I did get to go to a nice restaurant with my mom. I will be inserting some pictures throughout here of that. But other than that, it's kind of a bum day. Good morning, guys. It is September 19th, 2019. Today is my birthday. This will be my second vlog. I am a little ahead of the game. I had done washed my face, put my foundation and my powder on, and thought, now would be a good time to start this vlog. So that is where we are. As you can see, I am still rather tired. It is almost 8 in the morning. I am rather a night owl, so mornings are difficult for me. But that's where we are, and I'm going to go ahead and finish my face, and then I'll be back here to talk to y'all. Okay, guys, this is the finished look I'm going with. I did use the new Nomad palette that we received in our Ipsy box for my eyeshadow. So this is my finished look. This is how I did my hair. I think it came out rather cute. Just a black top and blue jeans. Super comfy. So we are getting ready to head either to Branson, Springfield, or Fayetteville, Arkansas, Springfield, Branson, Missouri, to do our birthday freebies. So I'm going to take y'all along and we will see what happens. Wish me luck. This will be my first year doing it and I'm super excited. So, see you there. Okay, so we flipped a coin. Heads was Fayetteville, tails was Springdale, or Springfield, and landed on heads. So we are about 15 minutes outside of Fayetteville, Arkansas, and headed towards the mall. It is potty break time, so that is what we are doing. Sephora was my winner for the freebies. You could either get the Kat Von D or the Drunk Elephant. They were out of that one when I got there. This is what I got. It is the locket powder, the tattoo liner in black, and then a 3 sample of her long-lasting lipstick. Cream lipstick, studded kiss. That is what those colors look like. Now, I am not a big Kat Von D supporter, and I have never used her brand, so I am going to try it before I judge too harshly, and I'm not going to go into a lot more than that on that subject. So, that is what I ended up getting from Sephora, and there is my receipt of that. It is $0. Then while I was there, I actually put my Beauty Insider Play Points to use. I do not live near a Sephora, so this was the time to actually use those. There are my play passes to where I actually use them, or they were accounted in my account. And I ended up getting the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Micro Finishing Loose Powder and a Confidence in a Gel Lotion, oil-free for all skin types, Hydro Plumping Skin Transforming Weightless Moisturizer for 72-hour hydration. And that is what that looked like. And there was my receipt for that, which totals out to $0. I did make it into Ulta. I have been a platinum member since I started ordering from Ulta back in February of this year, when I first got into makeup hot and heavy and started my channel. In being a platinum member, with their birthday freebies, you have to get an email sent to you. I was unaware of this when I myself went. So when I went into Ulta to ask them about it, I went to Fayetteville, Arkansas, into that Ulta, just so that everybody is aware on the people that they have in there. I asked about my birthday freebie. She had asked me if I had received my email, to which I told her I had no idea what she was talking about because I didn't. And she explained it to me, and I said, well, I drove 2.5 hours to get here to do this, to do a vlog for my channel and to have content for it. To which she told me it didn't matter if I had the email anyway, that they were completely out of September birthday freebies. So I was okay. Well, is there another Ulta in town? And she directed me to Rogers, Arkansas, which was another 45 miles away. Needless to say, I did not go. I did, however, call customer service. I am still waiting on that email as we speak. Today is the 23rd. So I'm having an issue with Ulta and the way that they do their customers. And then the lady in Fayetteville Ulta was a horrible person to have working there. She was not very helpful. And I drove 2.5 hours to get there. So it was a big disappointment. So I am going to say that Sephora won that, which really surprises me. But either way, I was able to do some of the things I wanted to do as far as doing my freebies, so it wasn't a total loss. And I got to spend some time with my mom and my daughter. So all around, it was still a pretty good day, just kind of bummed out. You know the drill. Please do like, share, and subscribe. It would mean everything to me. And until next time, you stay beautiful. Bye.